How to remove formatting in Excel. Here are a few quick ways to remove formatting in Excel and restore cells to their default format. Select the cells you want to remove formatting from and press Ctrl plus spacebar. This will remove all direct formatting applied to the cells. On the Home tab, click the Clear button and select Clear Formats from the drop-down menu. Again, select cells first before using this. To remove specific formatting like font, fill color etc. use the Clear option on the Home tab's Font group or the Fill Color button. To remove number formatting applied to cells, select them and right-click to bring up the context menu. Choose Clear Formats from this menu. Select the formatted cells and copy them, Ctrl plus C. Right-click and select Paste Special. In the Paste Special window, choose Values under Paste column and click OK. If multiple cells are formatted differently, you can select them all and choose the Clear Formats option to restore to default formatting in one go. For formula cells, converting them to values using Paste Special will remove the formula and formatting both. Make sure to check Preview before clearing formats so you don't lose data accidentally. Also pay attention to any warning messages shown by Excel during this process.